Hi everyone! I know it's been a long time, but it was a busy Christmas, November and December. Thank you for everyone. I've never had such a successful time, especially now during COVID. So I'm thanking everybody that purchased, soaps and candles during this time. But it was very busy that it took me away from making some soap videos. So here I am going again doing a natural soap. This has just fragrance and no colorant. I'm using my favorite oils and my Lye Water. And of course, I'm just mixing this until it has a light trace. So again, I want to make more soaps and more different variation of hot process that is coming up. Now that I have more free time, we're in January 2021. Incredible. But look, this one, I love the way it is right now. It has some swiggy lines. That means it's light trace. So I'm going to stop and cover this now. And wait until it starts the first reaction. So then I can blend again. So how was your guys' 2020 winter or holiday season? I hope you guys were able to spend some time with family. I know this was different for us. We actually had a very small gathering, only my mom and dad and the family, us two, and our dogs and everybody else. But we normally have a big event, and we didn't do this year. We were making sure that everybody was safe. So it was a very small gathering, different, kind of loved it. It was very cozy. We watched some great movies and listened to Christmas music and just remembered great holiday stories from the past to cheer us up. Of course, we did amazing food and a lot of great memory and gifts were given, but it was different for sure, but it actually was very nice. Here you have seen already the reaction. This mixture was awesome. It was volcanoing so much, but it made the process way faster. Not sure. It's kind of I'm in Florida. It's kind of cool right now. It's around the 60s. Here you can see it's already going to the gel phase, but this was pretty fast. I thought that having a colder weather would make it actually a longer process, but I blended. This was at 195 when I mixed both lye and oils. I think the oils were at 181, so it was pretty fast. As you can see, now I have my soap already done. This is actually soap, even though it's soft. It's just, you can use it to wash your hands, but it's a very, very soft soap, so definitely want to mold this. But here I am measuring, because I divided this batter into two because I'm making an all-natural soaps, and here I'm adding my yogurt. Someone asked me on a comment in an email they sent me, how many yogurt per my batter? So here I'm adding my fragrance too. I add, let's say this is a 3.5 pound soap batter, so I add 3 spoons of yogurt. My fragrance, I always like to have either 0.5 or an ounce per pound. So this one I added I think was 2.5 ounces, because this fragrance is very, very strong. I am using here Patchouli, and I wanted to make this very natural. Someone requested a Patchouli soap with no colors and anything, but with the same ingredients that I always do all my soap. So here I just mixing the fragrance, as well I'm mixing the yogurt. Now this is done. As you can see, the yogurt made it very, very liquidy, which I love. I ran out of sodium lactate, and that's okay. You don't have to use sodium lactate all the time. You can use yogurt, and it will still make it very fluid. Here I'm adding it to my mold, and this is a long, skinny mold, and I think I got it from Amazon. I'm not sure if I got it from Nature Soap or Nature's Garden. Yeah, I think this was from Amazon, and I will try to link this item down below. But yes, this is ready to mold, and then I will wait 24 to 48 hours solid, and I can remove it. Here I'm cutting this patchouli soap, and it smells delicious. I love it. Don't know why I don't do enough patchouli, but I think I'm gonna start doing more. I am coming up with a turmeric soap too, which is very good for the skin. But this one came out very nice. It's very natural. One color, I mean not even one color, it's just natural color. And it smells great. I want to say thank you again for following me and subscribing to my channel. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remind your friends and family, if they want to learn how to make soap, to watch my channel. And hopefully this 2021 is amazing for everybody. Things change. I know there's a lot of good news out there with changes for the COVID-19. Hopefully that this vaccine works for all and we can have a normal life. But in the meantime, enjoy some soap making. It does definitely distract people from a lot of negative news out there. I myself get mesmerized when I see other soap makers making their soap, and candle makers. It's just pure therapy for me. I love it. So I hope you enjoy this video. I will keep on cutting this and then show you the results. Again, thank you, and till the next time.